That would be the ultimate conclusion of all this investigation. Kasi nasali ho siya talaga as one of the most guilty according to the evidence and testimonies of witnesses. So there's no more reason for him not to come home and subject himself to whatever investigative body that we have right now. And para mabigyan din siya ng pagkakataon na ma-depensa ang kanyang sarili sa paraan na naayon sa ating batas, hindi yung mag-video ka lang somewhere in some portion in the globe tapos sasabihin mo that's the truth. So I guess it's a step forward, it's a positive step towards achieving the finality of this investigation, which is to file an actual charges para mag-move on na po tayo sa issue na ito at makasuhan na po yung dapat na makasuhan at madepensa nila din po ang kanilang sarili sa litimong paraan.
Si Kong Ernix.
Yeah, I agree with Kong Zia. That's a very big step forward. Kasi yun talaga yung inaantay na yung cancellation ng passport. Having said that, kung yan na yung nangyari, makakagalaw na yung pamahalaan natin to find ways and coordinate with other countries to find a better and faster way na mapauwi at he can defend himself in a proper venue.
So ibig sabihin kung mape-pressure na talaga siyang umuwi sa ating bansa.
Well, that would be that would be one of the implications of cancellation of his passport.
Thank you po.